How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome to the third episode of Best Home Screen Setups. I know it's been a while, but today I have got this beautiful looking home screen setup that I'm currently rocking on my Galaxy S21 Plus. I have featured the same setup on my last video and you guys wanted me to make a tutorial video on this one. With that being said, in this video, I will be showing you how to get this same exact setup on your device, no matter which smartphone you are using. Also, I will be giving away some promo codes in this video, so stay tuned and watch this video till the very end. Let's aim for 1500 likes on this video. So drop a like, leave a comment and let's get started. First thing first, that amazing wallpaper is from an app called Pixarwalls. It has got some really good minimalistic wallpapers that you can set up on your home screen. If you just want this particular wallpaper, then I will include a direct link for this wallpaper itself so you don't have to install the application. This wallpaper is without a doubt the heart of this entire setup. I love the blue and yellow combination. At the top we have a bulb which is hanging right in the middle of your screen. One thing that I really like about these kind of wallpapers is you get a lot of space to show your creativity by applying different icon packs and widgets. Now this setup has been made using Noah Launcher. As we all know, it is quite difficult to customize the home screen using stock launcher. You don't get the option to change the icon pack or even the grid size. So my recommendation would be the Noah Launcher if you really want to customize your home screen and make some beautiful setups like this. I will make sure to drop the links for all the applications in the description. So if you want to download anything, you can always go to the description. Once you install the launcher, simply set it as your default launcher. Now instead of wasting your time explaining each and every setting that you need to change, what I have done is, I have created a backup file of my setup. All you need to do is simply download the backup file and then import it by going into the Noah settings. Let me show you how to do it. Simply press and hold on your home screen, go to Noah settings, backup and import, select restore backups. Here you will find the backup file that you have just downloaded. Once you are done, all my settings will be transferred to your phone and you don't have to mess around with anything. As far as the icon pack is concerned, for this setup I am using Align Yellow icon pack. These are a set of linear icons made with yellow and white lines and I think it goes well, especially with the wallpaper that I am rocking on my phone. The icons themselves are well designed, they look really nice and it has more than 1600 icons which should probably cover most of the apps that you have installed. Now to apply this icon pack, go to Noah settings, look and feel and change the icon style to Align Yellow. Once you are done, make sure you arrange the icons like this. Well, it's not a free icon pack, but I do have 30 promo codes to give away. To get one, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video and send me a DM on Instagram asking for the promo code. It's a first come first serve basis. Finally, let's talk about the widgets. I am using two widgets on my home screen and both of them are from a pack called .kwgt. Now this is a paid widget pack, but again thanks to the developer, I do have 20 promo codes to give away. To get one, all you need to do is make sure you join our Telegram channel. You will find a direct link in the description. The widgets that I am using is the widget number 28 and the widget number 39. But other than this pack has a lot of really cool minimal widgets that is very similar to the ones that we are currently using. So if you love applying clean and minimal widgets on your home screen, then this is the widget pack that you should consider. Also make sure you have installed KWGT Pro version on your phone in order to apply any widgets on your setup. So that's pretty much it guys. This was a quick video on how to get this beautiful setup on your home screen. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.